Hi there, my name is Andrew Campbell and I'm with Apiax. I'm really happy to be able to speak to you through this medium and deliver my pitch. I'm responsible for all things commercial at Apiax, and Apiax is a RegTech based out of Zurich with offices in Lisbon and in London. We help financial institutes navigate complex regulatory and frameworks digitally. What are we talking about? 2008. We all know what happened here. Regulators sought to make sure that this wouldn't happen ever again. Looking forward, the complexity associated by financial institutes wanting to provide services in a compliant manner has really evolved to be something very complex and hard, and the only thing that we can really be sure is that things will change, and the uncertainty how they will change will only get more. If banks don't do anything, they can be sure of one thing, that at a certain point in time this will catch up with them and they will be fined. So let's look at one way Apiax can help to navigate such regulatory environments. Here we've got the typical environment where a bank employee would like to interact with a customer. But nowadays in this world, an interaction suddenly can become very, very complex. Here I've chosen one where we've got a meeting somewhere, we've got a jurisdiction, we've got nationality and a domicile, and we've got the banking license of Felix. So what would Felix have to do in this case? Felix would have to go back and prepare his meeting and try to find out what actually may I do in this context. And he would not only have to interpret legal text, and quite a lot of it, but he would also incur a lot of, to spend time and incur risk for the bank, because maybe he just overlooks one paragraph. So here comes the savior. Apiax is one of the Apiax's environments and offerings is an app where his fingertips in a few seconds and a few clicks determine if he may do something or not, and that's where Apiax can help massively. Apiax also disrupts the value chain of legal opinion, because we can make sure that you as a bank don't have to, every time something changes, go back to the drawing board and create an environment or a process to bring this to your processes. We offer this as machine readable, always up-to-date content, which you can plug right into your existing workflows and have this as a service and be sure that you always have the right environment. So this is on the basis of our platform, which needs to support your legal and compliance people to do the management and the governance process, and at the same time access this via a standardized API interface that would enable this to be done very quickly. So there's so much more to tell you about Apiax and what customers like, for example, Credit Suisse do with it. So reach out to us and I'm happy to tell you more. Thank you.